Anyways, I just tried to do one where he showed my face to do a 4320 cold start, and it's about 50 degrees. Well, probably less than that. That's when the sun was high. We're working on 4 o'clock right now, so it's probably, I don't know, mild 30s, whatever you want to call it. It's above freezing, 40s, something like that. But there ain't nothing going on with this girl. Make sure we got some throttle. See what she does. I believe this is a later model 4320, just for the fact that it's got just the exhaust. It's either an early or a late one, I don't know, because up right here you would normally have your air breather tube for your engine. So I'm trying to think, might be an early one, because if I remember what I read, the tractor, like I'm showing here, had problems with overheating because it did not have the proper air supply to the engine, like the 4320s that have the tube up to the air cleaner cap. I don't know. I'm sure someone will tell me I'm wrong. I don't remember what I read. It's been a while. But there you go. There's a 4320. 40s, 50s degrees, whatever. Hope you liked the video. Just like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm doing my best. Thank you.